How to add the weather widget on your iPhone 8 Plus. First, go to the home screen. Now, press and hold on any empty area of the home screen until the apps start to jiggle. Next, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the widget gallery. In the search bar at the top, type Weather. Then tap Weather from the list of available widgets. You'll now see different widget sizes. Swipe left or right to preview the available options and choose the size you prefer. Once you've selected a widget, tap Add Widget. The weather widget will now appear on your home screen. You can drag the widget to any location on the screen where you'd like it to appear. Once you're happy with its position,
tap anywhere on the screen.
Your weather widget is now added successfully. If the widget doesn't display weather information, make sure location services are enabled. And that's it. You've successfully added the weather widget to your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.